Computech Technology Services supplies remarkable on-site computer PC repair, networking, and voice and data cabling services throughout the entire city of Wise, Virginia. Our experienced, industry-accredited on-site computer system repair and networking technology professionals travel directly to your Wise site to provide quick, affordable installation, configuration, troubleshooting and repair services on an extremely wide variety of various computer, printer, and networking technologies. Whether you require Windows operating system problem troubleshooting performed on your desktop or laptop workstation, virus removal, or complex hardware troubleshooting and repair for motherboards, RAM, CPUs, or hard disks, our excellent computer PC service technicians have you covered. If you require network installation, setup and diagnosis and repair services consisting of thorough voice and data structured cabling services, our professionally skilled voice and data network service technicians are all set to service your Wise location right now. Whether you need diagnosis of your ISP modem, network router diagnostics, or simply need one of our professional Virginia technicians to pull some brand new cabling to support your growing network, we have it all covered, quickly and professionally. Give us a call today and find out why we are Virginia's finest on-site computer system repair, network, and voice and data structured cabling service company, 859-780-3020.